From Strata's perspective, we would like to share some of the achievements that we were able to do during these very difficult times. For example, we've started our largest and newest production line, which is the full vertical fin of the 787 aircraft. And we did it actually during these difficult times. Moreover, we would like to share our experience through utilizing partnerships and pivoting into new markets. We were able to team up with Honeywell in a very short period of time and introduce a new production line related to personal protective equipment, utilizing the existing facilities, utilizing the existing human capital that we have. So we would like to share these lessons learned and how we were able as a company to operate every single day during this pandemic.